So I'm going to be demonstrating transmitted light method 1 using the light bar inside a black box. And I've already mapped the part. This is the part here that we're inspecting. Surface 2 doesn't have much, so I'm going to skip that and just look at surface 1. And on surface 1, this is what I get for my map. I have one really pronounced scratch and 3 small digs roughly in the same area as a scratch. So first thing I'm going to do after mapping my part is I'm going to need to get a grade on these imperfections. So I'll get the part into position so that I can see the scratch. And you'll notice I'm holding my hands about 3 inches above the bar, and I'm illuminating with the bar, but I'm blocking my direct view of the light with my fingers. So I'm lighting up the scratch, but I'm not looking directly into the light. And once I get a nice view of that, then I can take my paddle. This is the RPO paddle. And I get the scratch in view. There, looks nice. And then I'm going to use my finger once again to block that direct view so that I can see the scratch, but not the light. And you saw that looks pretty good right there. So I can see the number 80 clearly, brighter than my subject scratch. I look at the number 60, and it's looking a little bit lower than my scratch. So it's between the 60 and the 80, so I would call that scratch a number 80. I'm going to estimate its length at about 7 or 8 millimeters. Now I'm going to go get some grades on those digs. I can see 3 digs kind of close together. So I take my paddle. Digs are a little bit easier to see, so you don't have to worry too much about the direct light. But I can see that first dig, which I call D1 in my map. And I'm just going to scan through the different digs. And I'm actually looking at all 3 digs at the same time, but I'm going to grade them one at a time. So that's dig 1 is going to be a number 20. Dig 2 looks like a 10. And dig 3 is also a 10. That's it.